Samsung Galaxy S23 5G S9110 Dual True Dual SIM plus a Gen 2 beast you can buy right now. What if I told you there's a phone launched in 2023 that, in mid-2025, still destroys every new $600 to $700 mid-ranger in speed, camera, and battery, and you can grab it brand new for under $400? Most people think compact flagship died with the iPhone mini. They're wrong. Dead wrong. The Samsung Galaxy S23 5G S9110 Dual is still here, still getting updates until 2030, and laughing at everything released this year. Keep reading if you're tired of giant phones and weak batteries. You're stuck choosing between two nightmares in 2025. Huge 6.8-inch slabs that don't fit in your pocket and feel like bricks, or tiny mid-rangers that choke the second you open Genshin or try to shoot 4K at night. You want real performance, real cameras, and a phone you can actually use with one hand without doing finger yoga. You're sick of settling. You've watched friends pay $900+ for the latest S25 or Pixel 9 and still complain about battery life, while you secretly know their old S23 sitting in the drawer would smoke it in real life. The truth? Most people upgraded for no reason. The Samsung Galaxy S23 5G S9110 Dual, with its overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, true dual physical SIM slots, and perfect 6.1-inch size, is still the smartest phone you can own today, and nobody wants to admit it. Here's what owning the Samsung Galaxy S23 5G S9110 Dual actually feels like in 2025. You pull it out of your pocket, and it still feels premium. Phantom black, matte finish that hides fingerprints, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 front and back, IP68 that survives being dropped in rivers. The 120Hz AMOLED gets so bright you can read it in direct desert sun at 1750 nits. The custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 hits 1.55 million on Antutu, faster and cooler than every new mid-ranger released this year. The 50MP camera with real 3x optical zoom still embarrasses $700 phones in daylight and night mode. Battery, 7 to 8 hours screen on time daily, 2 years later. And unlike the US model, this global S9110 has true dual physical SIM plus eSIM. Throw in a local SIM anywhere in the world and keep your home number active. It's getting full updates until 2030. It's literally the last compact phone Samsung made that doesn't force you to compromise on anything. A tech reviewer who still uses his launch day S23 in 2025 says it's faster and cooler than most new mid-rangers and my wife's iPhone 15. A travel photographer with 52 countries on it calls the dual SIM life-changing and says the camera still delivers portfolio-worthy shots. Another owner with 27 months of heavy use gets 7 to 8 hours SOT daily and says the Phantom Black finish still looks brand new. Ex-iPhone users who switched in 2023 refuse to go back. They say One UI plus 3x zoom plus actual all-day battery beats Apple's ecosystem hands down. Samsung promised 4OS plus 5 years security, and they're delivering. It's already on One UI 7.1 Android 15 in 2025, while many 2024 phones are still waiting. If you're done carrying a brick or settling for mediocre performance, grab the Samsung Galaxy S23 5G S9110 Dual right now while it's at its lowest price ever. Brand new, factory unlocked, Phantom Black True Dual SIM. I've dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it. One click and you own the best compact phone ever made that's somehow still getting better in 2025. Stop watching everyone else upgrade for no reason. Click the link, get yours, and join the people who quietly made the smartest move 2 years ago. Your pocket and your battery anxiety will thank you.